Is patching a tire safe? Imagine you're cruising down the road and suddenly feel that bump or hear a hiss. Your first thought might be to fix the flat yourself. But is patching a tire really safe? Let's find out. When a tire gets a small puncture in the tread area, a professional patch can be a good fix. It seals the hole and keeps the tire safe to drive on. This is especially useful for teen drivers who are still learning car maintenance. The patch is only safe if the puncture is less than 1/4 of an inch or 6 millimeters wide. Larger holes or tears can't be patched safely and need a new tire. Also, the puncture must be in the tread, not the sidewall or shoulder. Damage to the sidewall is unsafe to repair because it affects the tire's strength. The condition of the tire matters too. If the tire is very worn or has multiple repairs, patching might not be a good idea. A proper patch involves removing the tire from the rim, inspecting it inside and out, and then applying a patch with special adhesive. Sometimes, a plug is added for extra sealing. Do not try to patch a tire yourself with just a plug or glue. That can be unreliable and unsafe for long-term use. For teen drivers, it is best to see a professional if you get a flat. They will check if the patch is safe and if the tire can still be driven on. Remember, a patched tire is a temporary fix. It is safer than driving on a flat or damaged tire, but it does not restore the tire to its original strength. Always check your tires regularly for pressure and tread wear. If you notice a puncture, get it inspected quickly. If you get a flat, use a spare tire or a repair kit to get to a safe place. Avoid driving long distances or at high speeds on a patched tire. Follow any advice from the repair shop or tire manufacturer. Learning how to change a tire safely is a good skill for teen drivers. Use gloves, a jack, and warning reflectors if you need to change a tire on the road. So, to answer the question, patching a tire can be safe if done correctly by a professional on small tread punctures. But it is not a permanent fix, so keep an eye on your tires and replace them when needed. Proper maintenance and knowing when to seek help keeps you safe on the road.